Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Komshibanta banrakhi yakajingdap hinyopo sansnem jangkari India. Kamigalia State Legal Services Authority, henne kasngi kalapanlong yakapan India Awareness and Outreach Program, halor kapang, Access to Justice for All. Hakabah ni kasngi ladon lang unong bishar jangka Supreme Court, jangkari India, Udinesh Maheshwari, hakajingadan lang u Chief Justice Kamigalia High Court, u R.V. Moore, u Justice W. Dingdo, u Justice H.S. Thankyu, bat u Menteri ka Sarkar Meghalaya, u James K. Sangma bat kiway.
And their constant will and perseverance to make justice more accessible. Today, we have been able to establish proper courts in many districts of our state. I think it is a part to play towards making justice more accessible. I spoke about the COVID context at the beginning of the speech, where we actually had to deal with challenges in providing judicial access to all. We saw how ramifications affected a broad range of human rights, including the ability of people to access justice in a timely, fair, and effective manner. The crisis also presented specific justice needs, such as addressing the rise in gender-based violence and making additional institutional reforms to strengthen the effectiveness of the justice chain in a radically shifted social context. This impacted the marginalized much more, and inequalities became more visible, such as acute disparities in wealth, access to health, employment, and livelihood, and in the ability to adopt preventive and isolation measures like space, access to water, and sanitation. The legal system, like any other system across the country, was presented with a unique challenge on how to offer social protection to people, because while the rights existed, the freedom or capability to access those rights became much more limited.
Celebrates Azadi Amrit Mahotsav in order to bring justice closer to the people. A massive nationwide legal awareness campaign has been launched by National Legal Services Authority, NASA, focusing on the rights of the common people. With this, NASA has undertaken a special pan-India campaign on 17th of September 2021 to mainstream legal aid and actualize the aspiration of access of justice for every citizen. NASA and the state legal services authorities, including the district legal services authorities, Supreme Court legal services authorities, and High Court legal services committee, have been relentlessly working to create the robust framework of legal aid, delivery and legal empowerment of the citizen by providing proximate, affordable and speedy justice to all the citizens, especially the needy and indigent. The key highlights of the special pan-India campaign for creating legal awareness launched by the NASA through its countrywide organization framework, including deployment of mobile vans and other vehicles to show films and documentaries on the Access of Justice program, holding of legal aid hearings to give pre-litigation advice to common citizens with the help of panel lawyers, paralegal volunteers, besides holding awareness programs at the village level on legal aid.
In terms of the last person standing at the grassroots level, who doesn't have access to anything, he is not even aware of what access at all means. He is not only allowed, he is not only provided the access to justice, and not for an individual, justice for all. And that is why when we work with the theme one for all and all for one, we all stand for even a single individual if he is requiring access to justice, making him aware in the first place as to what justice really means. We may some of the experiences of life, be aware of what justice is about. But then in that awareness we need to add to our own awareness one aspect. That there may be people, there are people, there are subjects who are not even aware of as to what really is meant by justice. And then, even if somebody is aware of clearly or vaguely about what justice is, the path to ultimately reach that destination justice may either be not laid properly or not understood properly. In that context, when a country is celebrating Azadi Amrit Mahotsav, this 75th year of independence, this pan-India awareness and outreach program of the National Legal Services Authority is one such contribution in making it sure that our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav doesn't remain simply a ceremonial calling or a ceremonial gathering. We ensure that whatever is enshrined in the Constitution, what are the promises made, we again put ourselves in a better structured manner to march effectively ahead. And in that context, this nature conference contributes its own part. Given that, I am thankful to my Honorable Chief Justice of Meghalaya, his companion judges,